a quick look at how VersaExtract transforms documents into clean, structured data using Agentic AI. We begin by uploading a document directly into the platform, and once it's uploaded, you can choose a category or rely on auto-classify to instantly identify the correct one. You can even create a new category when needed, and now with the category set, VersaExtract automatically generates the initial extraction, capturing your key entities, fields, and tables. From here, refining the extraction becomes effortless. You simply chat with the VersaExtract agent in natural language, and it updates the results in real time. You can ask it to add new fields or entire tables, remove elements you don't need, or rename entities and columns to match your preferred terminology. If a value isn't captured correctly, you can tell the agent to re-extract just that specific field and it updates instantly. Every refinement you make is reflected immediately in the live preview, so you can validate changes as you go. And each correction, whether you're adding a field, adjusting a table, renaming a column, or fixing an individual value, is saved into the category template. And once everything looks accurate, you finalize the agent, turning it into a reusable and continuously improving template. Once you've trained your agents in the VersaExtract agent module, you can use them at scale in the customized agent module. Simply upload a zip containing multiple PDFs, and the system automatically classifies each page to the correct trained agent. All your refinements, added fields, renamed columns, and updated tables are applied automatically across every document. You can monitor the progress in real time as pages are processed, giving you full visibility into the workflow. When the process is complete, the extracted data is ready to export in JSON or Excel, making it easy to use for analytics, reporting, or integration with other systems, providing a completely hands-free, scalable solution.